Welcome to your health channel, your channel for health tips and healthy living. This video has 3 segments. First is the healthy ways to eat fruits, followed by best times to eat fruits. We shall conclude with some unhealthy fruits habits. Fruits are not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and fiber. However, knowing the optimal ways to consume them can maximize their nutritional benefits. Let's start with the best and healthy ways to eat fruits. Point 1. Eat fruits on an empty stomach or before meals. Consuming fruits on an empty stomach or before meals allows your body to absorb the nutrients more efficiently. The fiber in fruits aids in digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing spikes. Plus, starting your day with fruits can kickstart your metabolism and provide a natural energy boost, setting a healthy tone for the rest of the day. Point 2. Opt for whole fruits over fruit juices. Whole fruits contain fiber, which slows down the absorption of sugars and promotes feelings of fullness. On the other hand, fruit juices often lack fiber and can be loaded with added sugars and preservatives. By opting for whole fruits, you not only enjoy the natural sweetness and texture, but also reap the full spectrum of nutrients they offer, promoting better overall health and satiety. Point 3. Experiment with seasonal fruits for freshness and variety. Eating seasonally ensures that you enjoy fruits at their peak freshness and flavor while supporting local farmers and reducing environmental impact. One major disadvantage of eating out-of-season fruits is their potential lack of flavor and nutritional value compared to their in-season counterparts. While out-of-season fruits may be available year-round in many markets, they may not offer the same taste, freshness, and nutritional benefits. The danger is that these fruits are preserved with unhealthy artificial preservatives. Eating such fruits out of season will pose danger to your health. Point 4. Limit dried fruits due to their concentrated sugar content. While dried fruits may seem like a convenient and healthy snack, they are often concentrated sources of sugar and calories. The dehydration process removes water content, resulting in a smaller volume with higher sugar density. As a result, it's easy to overconsume dried fruits, leading to excessive calorie intake and potential spikes in blood sugar levels. Enjoy dried fruits in moderation and opt for whole fresh or frozen fruits whenever possible. Point 5. Include fruits in every meal for a nutrient boost. Incorporating fruits into every meal is an easy way to ensure you get a diverse range of nutrients throughout the day. Whether it's adding berries to your breakfast oatmeal, incorporating fruits into salads or stir-fries for lunch and dinner, or enjoying fruit-based desserts, each meal provides an opportunity to boost your intake of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Aim to include a variety of colors and types of fruits to maximize nutritional benefits. Next is best time to eat fruits. Before we continue, please support this channel by hitting the subscribe and like buttons. Many thanks for supporting this channel. The best time to eat fruit can vary depending on individual preferences, lifestyle, and health goals. However, there are some general guidelines that can help optimize the benefits of consuming fruits. In the morning, eating fruit in the morning can be beneficial for several reasons. It provides a natural energy boost due to its high carbohydrate content, helping to kick-start your metabolism and provide fuel for the day ahead. Additionally, fruits are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which can help support your immune system and overall health. Eat fruits between meals. Snacking on fruits between meals can help curb hunger and prevent overeating during main meals. Fruits are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a satisfying and nutritious snack option. Plus, they can help maintain stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. Eat fruits before workouts. Eating fruits before a workout can provide a quick source of carbohydrates for energy. Opt for easily digestible fruits like bananas, oranges, or berries, which can help fuel your workout and improve performance. Eat fruits after workouts. Consuming fruits after a workout can help replenish glycogen stores in your muscles and promote recovery. Pairing fruits with a source of protein, such as Greek yogurt or a protein shake, can further enhance muscle repair and growth. Next is unhealthy ways to eat fruits. While fruits are generally considered healthy, there are indeed some ways to eat them that might not be as beneficial for your overall health. Here are a few examples. 1. Eating fruits immediately after meal. This causes delayed digestion. Some people experience digestive discomfort, such as bloating or gas, when they eat fruits immediately after a meal. This may be due to differences in digestion times between fruits and other foods, leading to fermentation of carbohydrates in the digestive tract. Also, acidic fruits like citrus fruits may exacerbate symptoms of acid reflux or heartburn when consumed immediately after a meal, especially for individuals who are prone to gastrointestinal issues. 2. Another unhealthy way is blending fruits rather than chewing. When you chew your fruits, the process of digestion begins in your mouth with the mechanical and chemical breakdown of food. Saliva plays a crucial role in this initial stage of digestion, and aids in the digestion of fruits faster. Saliva contains enzymes like amylase and lipase, which start breaking down carbohydrates and fats, respectively. While fruits primarily contain carbohydrates in the form of sugars, the amylase in saliva can begin the process of breaking down these sugars into simpler forms, such as glucose and fructose. 3. Another unhealthy way to eat fruit is juicing without the fiber. When fruits are juiced, the fiber is often removed, leaving behind mostly sugar and some vitamins and minerals. Consuming fruit juice without the fiber can lead to rapid spikes in blood sugar levels and may contribute to weight gain and other health issues, especially if consumed in large quantities. 4. Adding excessive sweeteners to fruits is another unhealthy way of eating fruits. Some people may add additional sweeteners like sugar or honey to their fruits, especially when making smoothies or fruit salads. This increases the calorie and sugar content of the dish, potentially negating some of the health benefits of the fruit itself. 5. Overconsumption of fruit may be unhealthy. While fruits are nutritious, they still contain natural sugars, and consuming them in excess can contribute to an excessive calorie intake. This is especially true for dried fruits, which are more calorie-dense than fresh ones due to the removal of water. Overconsumption of fruits, particularly in the form of juices or dried fruits, can lead to weight gain and other health issues if not balanced with a variety of other foods. 6. Eating fruit with unhealthy accompaniments. Pairing fruits with unhealthy accompaniments, such as sugary cereals, whipped cream, or processed pastries, can turn a healthy snack or dessert into a less nutritious option. These additions can add unnecessary calories, sugar, and unhealthy fats, offsetting the nutritional benefits of the fruit. 7. Ignoring allergies or sensitivities. Some people may have allergies or sensitivities to certain fruits. Ignoring these allergies or sensitivities and consuming the fruits anyway can lead to adverse reactions and discomfort. It is essential to be mindful of any food allergies or intolerances and choose fruits that are safe for you to consume. In conclusion, making mindful choices about when and how we consume fruits can significantly impact our overall health and well-being. By enjoying fruits at the best times and opting for healthy preparation methods, we can maximize their nutritional benefits and savor the natural sweetness of nature's bounty. Let's embrace the delicious versatility of fruits in ways that nourish our bodies and support a vibrant lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe in support of this channel.